Everyone thinks the most popular Honda Ridgeline Truck Bed cover is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. First up, we've got the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Priced at $223, this cover immediately caught my attention with its heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum frames. If you want a reliable way to protect your gear while maintaining easy access, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer support, allowing you to fold the cover conveniently when you need full bed access. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 532 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about needing to cut small holes in the bed liner for installation. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable making minor adjustments for a secure fit, that's not a deal breaker. It's still an excellent choice for most users. This cover is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, weather-resistant option that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any modifications at all. For the value, it's hard to beat. Now, if the installation requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Next, we have the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover for $209. Its roll-up design really stood out to me, especially with its built-in horizontal crossbars for added support. If you want convenience and flexibility, this is definitely worth considering. Why is this important? The roll-up feature lets you access your bed without removing the entire cover, which is a game changer for hauling larger items. This cover also boasts a Velcro strip seal and a latch lock system, giving you peace of mind against the elements. With a similar rating of 4.7 stars from 532 reviews, it's clear that this cover is popular among users. However, some users mentioned it can be tricky to align properly during installation. I'll be real with you, if you're someone who wants an easy, straightforward setup, this might take a little patience. But once it's on, it's secure and functional. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible cover that's easy to manage. Skip it if you prefer a tri-fold option or want something that's super quick to install. For the price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a premium feel. Product number 3, Real Truck True Zedo Low Pro. Coming in at $449.99, the Real Truck True Zedo Low Pro Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover is a bit pricier, but it's America's one choice for a reason. The sleek low-profile design immediately caught my eye. If you want a cover that looks sharp while offering full functionality, give this one a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Sitting just 3/4 above the truck bed, it allows for full access to stake pocket holes, which is great if you want to use additional accessories. The leather-grained vinyl is also tear-resistant, providing excellent weather resistance. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 276 reviews, users love its durability. That said, some users found it didn't fit as snugly as they expected. Now here's the thing, if you can handle a little adjustment upon installation, it's well worth it for the quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a top-quality cover that combines style and functionality. Skip it if you're looking for a budget option. It's a bit of an investment, but the quality is evident. Now, if the price point here is a concern, the next cover is significantly more budget-friendly. Product number 4, MaxMate Soft Roll-Up. Next up is the MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover priced at just $179. This caught my attention for its affordability and solid features. If you're on a budget but still want good protection, this is worth a look. What's great about this cover is its dual-coated heavy-duty vinyl and built-in horizontal crossbars that provide excellent support. With a 4.5-star rating from 178 reviews, it seems to deliver on performance without breaking the bank. However, some users noted that it can be a bit challenging to tighten properly. Here's the thing, if you're willing to take your time to get the right fit, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still offers quality. Skip this one if you can't dedicate a little time to installation. For the price, it's hard to argue against its value. Now, if you're looking for something really durable, the next one is a hard cover that offers premium protection. Product number 5, XTWEX Hard Trifold. Finally, we have the XTWEX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover priced at $417.99. This one really impressed me with its high-strength fiberglass reinforced polymer construction. If you want serious protection for your cargo, this is definitely worth considering. The easy no-drill installation is a bonus, ensuring you can get it on without a hassle. With a strong 4.7-star rating from 142 reviews, it seems users appreciate its durability. Some users mentioned it's heavier than expected. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something lightweight, this might not be for you. But if you need something that holds up under pressure, this is a great pick. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and security for your cargo. Skip this one if you favor a lighter cover for easy handling. For the quality, it's a solid investment. To wrap up, all these covers have their strengths. The Tiger T3 for reliability, the T1 for flexibility, the True Zito for style, the MaxMate for budget, and the XTWEX for heavy-duty protection. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a cover here for you. To wrap up, all these covers have their strengths. The Tiger T3 for reliability, the T1 for flexibility, the True Zito for style, the MaxMate for budget, and the XTWEX for heavy-duty protection. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a cover here for you. Happy shopping!